Good morning, YouTube land. Let's go ahead and try the extracting the oil from the dipstick with the battery with a pump into a pan method. I just came across this method on, of course, YouTube. So apparently you get a extracting pump from Amazon. We're about to find out, see if it's gonna work or not. You get the hose, you put it in the little hole there, the dipstick. This one does not take a dipstick, but it has the a cap on there. Took the cap off, you drop it all the way in, and let's see if it works. And you connect the battery. I have a spare battery, so let's see what happens. Let's turn it on. Oh, there it is. Look at that. And let's see how long this is going to take. But anyway, I'm not going to film the whole thing, but I'm going to show you. Oh, there it is. I better hold it in case it splatters. Hopefully not. Alright, and there's the oil coming out. So far, so good. It's pumping out the oil. Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to keep on doing that till it completely pumps it all out. About 5.5 quarts. So let's keep on pumping. I'm going to start taking off this cover here so I can replace the oil filter while that thing's doing its job. Alright. Okay, it's coming out pretty fast. So it's working. Always trying to find a way to save a buck. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes, and I think it's pretty much done. So you just want to kind of try to get as much as you can, but it's pretty much done pumping. There's only, so I think we're good. So let me. Yep, we're done. Not bad. Pumped it up pretty fast. So let me turn it off because I don't want to burn it. But yeah, as it was almost done, I kind of just, you can see. I mean, you could feel it bottoming out. If I go any further, it'll curve. You don't want that. You put the this little skinny hose down here. Once it touches the bottom, that's it. Don't go any further than that, because I believe these have like a flat oil pan. But yeah, I got it all out. Check that out. That's about the proper amount there. Filled up the whole pan. So now, this pump is awesome. It pumped it out really quick. I gotta be honest with you, that's a lot easier than having to jack up the vehicle and crawling down there, taking off the skid plate. These cars have covers all over the place. I would have to take the cover off with a gazillion screws on it, take off the drain plug, and I believe these have like a plastic drain plug, so if I don't have to mess with that, this is awesome. I love it. So let's take the oil filter off. Alright, all the oil drain has been drained out. I left that open so it could get some. Actually, I could put the cap back on, but I think I should just put it on there just for now, but not completely. So I'm gonna, next step is take out the oil filter. you gotta take this off. This is kind of blocking it, but the way you take this off is you just pop it off. It just pops right off. You see these little rubber pieces here? They just snap right into these little pegs. It just pops right in. So there's two in the front, two in the back. So don't be afraid if you just pop it off. Pop it off. You're not gonna break nothing. So yeah, kind of funky looking there. All kinds of stuff going on. So just get that, just put it here. I'm gonna have to clean that up too, it's kind of dusty. So you just grab a wrench and take this off and change the filter. Alright, let's give that a go. Alright, as you can see, I mean, everything's got like a little factory mark on it. Come on, get in focus. Like the little dipstick cap. So he's got that little orange dab there. So when I put it back on, I'm going to make it kind of line it up. If you look at this, the container here, see a little white dot down at the bottom right here? Make that line up when I put it back. I guess that's from the factory. So when I take this off, when I put it back on, I'll try to line those up. So it's got some arrows here, obviously going this way to tighten it up, and the other way, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty, I suppose. So let me take this oil filter housing off. Alright, we got it loose. Let's take that off. Nice and easy. Where was that? I had a rag. Have a rag handy, just in case. Wow. Felt some kind of pressure. You know what? I have a light. Where is it at? Is it in here? What did I do with it? Let's see. Before I take that filter completely off, I had like a little, here it is. Here it is. I got this at the AutoZone the other day. It's got that, and it's got this. There we go. So I want to see what's going on there. It's got a magnet too, so maybe I can. Yeah, magnet. This car is all plastic. Whatever. Guess I'll just prop it there. Actually, it's got like a little hook too. Check this out. Okay, so if I don't have, hang it here. Yes. Okay, I want to see what's going on here. I want oil to spill out. Oh, sweet. Just like that. So you take this off. Try not to make a mess. I'm going to go ahead and place it here, so it'll drain out completely. Then I'll clean it. The all filter just pops off. Pops right off. See, I'm still draining a little bit. Alright, get it. Just place it here on the side, I guess. Place it there. that's what it looks like in there. So maybe what I'll do is I'll grab the pump and maybe I was gonna, no, that's practically nothing. Yeah, there's no need of sucking out that. I guess I could, it's just a little bit. I'll use a pump and suck out the rest of that residual oil in there. But yeah, that's it. So let me get the oil cleaned up and put the new one in. Alright, got all the old oil from out of there because I'm OCD like that. So I don't want to drop a dirty oil in there. Got this canister all cleaned up. Here's the new filter with the new O-ring. It goes in here. Make sure to lube this up a little bit. Pop it in there. And yeah, that's it. Have my my lovely assistant here. She's gonna give me a she's gonna give me a little hand hold. What? Okay, don't go popping. Why are you trying to loosen this? I don't get it. Why are you trying to take this off? For what reason? Because you're curious? Yeah. Alright, don't go popping things loose now. It's not about that, it's about the oil change. So, only this. You put the gloves on for safety. Alright. So you want to pop this back in here. Get a little bit of lube. A little bit of oil. Just kind of loosen this up a little bit because babe, we had to lube this up to pop it in there. That's the idea. In case you didn't know. See, you get a little bit of oil like that. Smile for the camera. Anyway, so you just do that and just pop it in there like so. You want to get that real quick. Make sure it goes in that last groove like that. Don't do what I did one time on my other car. I did not put this where it belongs, and when I took off, there was an oil mess all over the place. So anyway, that's it. You pop this back in here. It doesn't really matter how. I think that's it. Just pop it until it. That's it. And that's it. You're gonna pop this back on, screw it on, and that's it. No, you cut. Alright, got it all on. Don't ever over tighten this. Pretty much you can only go so far anyway. Got the little cap back on, so now let's fill it up with the let's see, with the appropriate 0W/20 oil, which is this one here. I mean, I could go with higher end stuff, but it's 0W20. So that's what I'm going with. So let's fill her up. Alright, just filled it up. Well, I didn't really fill it up. This vehicle takes 5.5 quarts, and so this is this one here is only 5. But what I got that and one more quart. I got one more quart. So I'll put the cap back on, run it a little bit, then put half of that one. And since this is empty, I'll be able to tell if how much was in there. So we shall see. All right, so that little pump definitely got all the oil out. It all went in there. So that's 5. And I've noticed that let's see, originally it wasn't full all the way, so it's almost topped. You probably can't see it, I don't know, but it's almost topped, so that means 5.5 quarts went in there. So that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Wow, it's so easy with that. Now eventually, as vehicles gain more mileage, I'm sure I'm gonna have to do it the right way, drain it from the bottom in case there's like sediment or sludge or anything like that. But for now, that's the way to go. So next step is I'm gonna turn it on, and since I have the cover off, I'm gonna get the blower and kind of blow all this dirt off of here, wipe it down, put the cover back on, make it look clean again, nice and shiny. This is unacceptable. Yeah, it's too dirty. It shouldn't be like this. It should not be like this. Dirty. Yeah, let's clean it up. Yeah, you see that right there? Dirty. Alright, let's clean it up. Alright, so pretty much that's it. Oil is changed. Took it around the block. No leaks. Nothing. I mean, the only really part where it would leak from it's here. But that's the beauty of not taking off the drain plug. But yeah, got it all cleaned up. Looking spiffy. So yeah, once you do all this, don't forget you have to you got to go inside and do all your stuff in here. Go to vehicle settings, and it's very simple. Go to the vehicle settings, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna change your oil interval settings, and that's pretty much it. Where's the key? You know, it's simple. It's simple. Just go in your panel there and set that up. All right, and that was an oil change for a 2020 Q5 Audi hybrid. Actually, yeah, this one is electric and gas. Yeah, plug-in. Yeah, we could plug this one in. Hybrid is it's not a plug-in. This one's an actual plug-in. So great gas mileage on this. But yeah, I mean, I saved us about 170 bucks. So all we did was buy the oil and the little pump, that little deal there from Amazon. That was 22. I paid 22 for that. All the oil with the filter, the oil plus filter was 45. So 45, I spent 45 and 22. All right, so I really saved money on the labor, I guess, at the shop. There's a bee chasing me, that's why I'm running. Yeah, saved us some money. Saved us some money. And very easy. Very easy. Very, very easy. All right, peace out, y'all. Okay, so make sure to put in the 5 quarts, run it around the block for a little bit, then come back and put in the other half of oil, so it'll be the 5.5. Don't forget that. I mean, it's not critical, but just go ahead and do it, and you'll have a full 5.5 quarts. And that is it. All right, after you're done with your oil change, you're gonna want to go in here and do your resetting, and do your oil check interval reset, and that's it. All right, I'm not gonna go through it. You can figure that out. It's very simple. I just did it, and that's it. Simple, very simple. And you're ready for the next oil change. All right. Can you see it? Go Dodgers. There it is. There it is. Yeah. Go Dodgers. All right. Peace out, y'all.